I'm Gracie, this is Harry, and that's George.
Sophie asked us to share one of our family recipes, and we chose one from our grandmother's. It is chocolate chip squares. 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar, that Gracie has, and the third of a cup of melted butter that Harry has.
Then stir it all together. It should look like this and taste like this.
Now you've got to add the choc chips before Gracie eats it all. And 1 cup or the whole box. If you will pour your mixture into your greased square pan. Now our squares go into the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees.
The Christmas chocolate squares. We hope you all have a Merry Christmas.
Yum. Really good.